today we're talking about how to deal with grief, how to process grief easier. Obviously, it's never going to go away. It's just a form of processing it. Have a tool to help you if you get stuck in your emotions. If you're up for that, stay tuned. Coming up next. So one way of dealing with grief is either you make a paper box like I did, or even better, you get air-dried clay that you can buy in the dollar store or China shop, because you can really get your emotions and your anger or your frustration out over the grief you have while you're molding the clay. I want to also insert a little video on how to do that. Unfortunately, I don't have any handy right now, but again, I'm going to insert a little video on that. So when you have that vessel, then you can get to the next step, which we're going to talk about right now. So the grief I'm experienced is the loss of my grandmother, even though it happened about 30 years ago now. I think exactly 30 years. About a month ago. So I obviously got better at it. It's not as prevalent anymore because it's so long, but nonetheless in this exercise I kind of remembered her and all the memories and all what I learned in the relationship I had with her. So, and whatever your grief is, that's where you're gonna focus on and work on. Make sure you have all your supplies ready, some pencil, crayons, a piece of paper, and some scissors. cut out now, so okay, so I have my box here, or your bowl you made, whatever, vessel. I didn't decorate this, but of course you should, you know, take your time and do that. And I'm just gonna put all the notes in here. You can even put a lid on it if you want. And some favorite, something that reminds you of the person. And every time, you can put it on your favorite place. You can put it at your desk, or at in your bedroom, someplace you can see it. Whenever you feel your emotions coming back, you feel grief, or you have memories about the person, let's go and take one out, read it, and yeah, you can let your emotions, let them range free when you can express them that way, so you don't do it again in a more healthy way, or not get other people involved in your emotional trauma. This is a great way of remembering people, but also your lost ones, but also good for you as a therapy, just to remind them, keep reminding yourself of them, and keep the memories alive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. There's an email down there. Please, if you like a free art therapy session, please just shoot me an email and subject art therapy, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next one.